side passion of mine, growing pineapples. And I wanted to share it with y'all because I get questions about this all the time. So when you just go, this one just came from Walmart, right here in Central Arkansas, not a special store, anything like that. When you buy your fresh pineapple, you can just twist, put your back into it, the top off, just like that. And this, if you peel off these bottom, hope see you can like zoom in and show y'all what I'm talking about here. You peel off these bottom leaves, petals, and as you go, you're gonna start seeing, can you see those little, like the little brown, like polka dot looking things? So those are the roots. And as you, the more you peel, the more you'll see them. Oh, there's a good one. See how that one's, but it almost looks like a little dried maggot. I know, that's gross, but that's the root. So you just want to expose a couple layers of those. Some people start these in water. I've never done that. I've always stuck mine in a pot and have been successful. Good. I always let mine sit out on my counter like 24 hours. And I really hope Steve is able to zoom in and you can see all those little bitty baby roots coming out. And so you're gonna let it dry on your counter. Oh, there's a good shot. Thank you, cameraman. So see, there's the one. Ideally, you'll have lots of those, but it'll still be okay because you see all those other little brown dots? Those are all little roots coming in. So we're gonna let this sit on our counter. Just lay it down, let it sit. Usually, I don't really time it. Like I'll set it out today and tomorrow morning I'll stick it in dirt. But join me on my patio and I will show you the end result. Okay, so this is the first one I ever planted 3 years ago from the top of one from a store, and I got my pineapple growing up out of it. You water always from the top down, so it's okay if the dirt gets a little dry. Ideally you want it somewhat moist, but they do better in a little more drier environment. So this guy's been with me through a lot. So it's getting its baby, its crown, and then this is another one that I've planted that's about 2 years old, so he's not made a baby yet. But what they do is they have at the bottom these things called suckers. I know that's a terrible sounding word. But at the bottom of the plant, it'll start shooting off another plant. And like here's a baby. I dropped this pot yesterday, so my poor broken plot. But this is a baby that came off the bottom, a sucker that came off the bottom that'll grow fruit. And then behind Steve is one of my biggest suckers. It grew from this big mother plant that's 3 years old, and it'll produce fruit. Now here's the catch. These guys, I call them a one and a done. So when this pineapple is ready to eat, also as it gets bigger, they have what's called, excuse me, what's called slips. So the same way these guys came off the bottom, at the base of your pineapple will grow other little baby pineapples that you just twist off. Same at the base, you just twist them off like we did inside. So anyways, when this fruit is ready to eat and we pick it, it'll never grow another pineapple. What you do is you just cut it off at the dirt, leave the roots in the dirt, cut it off, and as long as the mother roots stay in there and stay healthy, it'll keep producing those little suckers off the bottom. So in that way, it'll keep producing fruit. And I had much more, but I've given away several plants because I have a pineapple farm on my patio. And so they will keep producing as long as they're healthy. And they love banana water. So that's how I grow my pineapples.